feeling good, like I should. Winning.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Tochi Nicole, and in today's video I'm going to be channeling my inner tech guruism to show you how to create an aesthetically pleasing intro, the one with the stars and everything. So let's get into the video. First things first, you need a background to work with. I personally went through the stress of going round and round just to find a blush pink, solid pink, whatever you want to search for background to download the whole picture. Meanwhile, if you're not as extra as I am, you could just search for it, screenshot it and zoom in. But my editing app doesn't work that way. I can't crop a picture in my editing app, so I had to download the image that I needed to work with. So that's the first step. First things first, you need your editing, your background basically. So after you've gotten your background, whether you downloaded it or you screenshotted it, whatever, after you've gotten your background, the next thing you need is a green screen. Again, I went through the stress of downloading the whole freaking green screen. Meanwhile, you could just screenshot and zoom in, whatever works for you, hon. I just was extra for no freaking reason, because after I've gotten your blush background and your green screen, the next thing is you go to your pixellab, which is an Android based app. I don't know, Android users can get this app. Then you go to your the box that says from gallery, where you can pick an image. Then from there you pick your green screen. Then you go to the text bar. When you get to the text bar, you just write my channel. You write whatever your channel name is. My channel name is Tochi Nicole, hence I'm using Tochi Nicole. You just use your channel name, and then you preferably, if you want it to look very aesthetically pleasing, the popular font to use is, what is it called? I've forgotten what that thing is called. I'm going to write it on the screen. Keeping it something, or keep it something, and then you just increase it. You add the size to the size you want, and then you put your, what is that thing called? Sorry, I'm so sorry that I'm being unprofessional. But then after that, you put your line, or your, what is it called? Your stroke. Yes, thank you. You use your stroke and enable it. Pick black, obviously, then increase it how much you want or reduce it how much you want. I put my own the way that suits me, hence you're seeing it the way you're seeing it. Then you put it in the middle, and from there you save your image. Yeah. So the next step is you go to your Megaphoto. Do not mind how I look. When you go to your Megaphoto, pick the middle box. Then from there you go to your settings, image, video from library, pick the image you just edited. You can crop it if you want. If you don't want, don't do anything. You pick it, then you go to the extreme end. I don't know what that thing is called. It didn't come with the label, hence I do not know what it's called. So the next step, after you've picked the last box that I genuinely do not know what it's called, you find the one that has the dog in it. And then when you find the one that has the dog in it, you pick it, because basically what it does is that it moves your image. So in this case, it moves whatever you've written since it's on a green screen. When you find the dog, you pick the first one. So after it moves the picture, pick it to be wavy, because mine is wavy one. When you pick the wavy one, you record it with the blue button for 10 seconds. That's how long an intro should be. Record it for 10 seconds and then save. So what you need next is the stars. In order to get the stars, I cannot edit that one myself, so just find editing by, I don't know how to call his name, so I'm not going to murder it. So basically I'm going to be teaching you how to download, how you can use your Android to download videos from YouTube. So when you find the video, I'm going to write it on the screen, don't worry. When you find the video you're looking for, you copy the link, you go to your Google, you write YT2 MP3, that's YouTube to MP3. Then when you get there, you paste the link you copied, transfer it to MP4 as it's showing you on the screen. Transfer it to MP4 and then you press download. The next step, I'm not sure if the step 4, the step 5 is you go to your editing app. I use Powerdirector. You start up a new project. Project ratio 16.9. I save name my own intro because I'm doing an intro, pretty basic. Yes, I know. Then you pick your pink screen. First of all, you go to the images. You pick your pink screen, your blur screen, whatever you want to call it. When you pick your pink screen, what is wrong with my English? When you pick your pink screen, yes, the next thing you are going to do is that you get your shaky star, and then you get the video you did from the 10 seconds video, and then with your green screen. So I realized a little bit late that Megaphoto has watermark. But I'm making this mistake so you won't have to make it. So first things first, when you get your picture, you put it the way you want, like the image of your green screen, the video, you increase it, you decrease it, just put it the way you want on the screen. So a mini tutorial on how to take out your green screen from a video. First of all, you press the pencil icon, then you go to your chroma key. You pick the stuff that they used to give you medicine when you were a child, what they used to give you cough drop. When you pick it, you then touch it back, you denoise, and that's it. So basically how I got rid of the Megaphoto, the watermark, is I had to go to InShot, I had to copy it. It was a whole other ordeal, but it's very, very, very super easy. You just go back to your InShot, you pick your video and you crop, which is, like I said, very, very easy. So after you've done that, you just go to your downloads, you add piping. I don't know, that's what it's called. You add your piping, you go to download and you pick the video. The video I downloaded had intro and outro. I didn't need all of that. I just needed the glitching stars, which was it. But then I had a little bit minor technical difficulty, but I got over it. So after you cut it to the size you want, which technically is just the freaking shaking star that you need, when you get that, you do the same process. You remove the green screen, then from there I use song, so you add your song, you add your subscribe play button. You can download it, it's in one of my videos. You use your subscribe play button, and then you add your music. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, ask me down below. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next. And I'm not a tech channel, I just do tech stuff from time to time because I'm trying to help you all out. So yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me if this video helped you in any way, shape or form. Tell me what next you want to see. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember? Now we're here to take control.